Now to make a parrot, first of all, what we will be doing is that we'll be taking the length of the parrot actually. So if this is your pencil, so you leave this much distance from here, and then we make a circle here. Then you make a line from the middle. Then again you make a circle here. Make a circle again. And then we make a small circle here. So this circle should be the half of this. Now after doing this, make a line here. Make a line here. And then take a curve from this side. Make sure that you have got distance here. And then you make a curve here, round. Then take a curve here and join. Make a round here again and join it with this line. Get a curve here and take a line outside and come inside here. Then go down and take a line here. This will come in the middle. We have got plenty of distance here. Then you use this curve, come down and make a round shape here. Now after doing so, we'll be making a circle again. Yeah, this should be as the same size of the circle that you have made before, like this. Get a curve here. Get a curve here. Make 3 lines here. Get 3 lines here. Take a small curve from this side. And join it with this line. Get a curve here. Get a curve here. Take a curve round and join it with this line. Take this outside, plenty of the curve, and get this round shape. From this side, we make a line, then this line, then make a line here and then this line, then make a line here and then this line, and then this line. So our parrot is ready. We just need to make the tail of this. What you do here is, from this side, using this curve up, make a small line pushing it out. Get this line here. Get this line here. Join this line here. Now after doing this, we'll be passing a line from here and a line there. Push this line here and push this line here. That's how the parrot is done.